Hello, I'm here to debunk weight is determined by height. I have been a clinical dietitian since 2011. The time I'm making this video is 2024. And a lot of times in clinical care, we assess someone's height, and then that is going to dictate their weight. But other considerations that we take into account are their body frame, their age, and their gender. And so if you go on Google and you're just looking at, well, what's my ideal body weight? And you just put in your height, you're not putting in enough information. If you're putting in all the other things, the other other three factors, gender, age, and body build, there's still a missing factor, is your unique history, your unique family history, if you know it, your unique story about your body, because your body has been through so much. If you're watching this, I'm assuming you're a little bit older, and has a unique story. From 0 to 5, you didn't have much autonomy, but you did eat and you did have a body, but you weren't necessarily always in charge. That matters. How you grew up, what you were exposed to, who taught you how to eat, who modeled for you how to eat, what foods did you have access to, what foods did you not have access to. All of that matters in the story of your body and the classification of your weight, which we don't always have to have a classification, but in health, that's what's happening. And so when you take your height and you only take your height to dictate your weight, you're leaving out a lot of factors. It's like reading one chapter of a book and then thinking you know the whole story. It doesn't work that way. Looking at the entire story, looking at the entire factors is so important. So scientifically, the other three factors are age, gender, and then body build. And then what I would look at from a personalized story is what's happened to you. What does your story look like? What was it like 0 to 5? What was it like 5 to 10? What was your life like 10 to 15 in regards to your body, food, weight, and eating? What was it like? And sometimes that's really painful. And sometimes I don't want to talk about it because it hurts. Sometimes I don't know because I wasn't there. I had to leave my body due to trauma. All of those matter when it comes to how your body shows up, how much space it takes up, and how you feel about that, how you experience it. So no, weight is not only dictated by height. That would be a myth. Hope this helps. If it does, like and subscribe.